Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome to my another video, and I hope you are doing fantastic for your communication skill. Right now, I am at Bayer. Bayer is the place where cattle are kept over here. So, you can say herd of buffalo surrounding me.
So this is the totally vacant area where cattle are kept over here. These cattle grazing grass and green grass and fodder that is offered by my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law have a very hectic days every day due to feed them and dawn to dusk my mother-in-law engaged to feed them, giving water and some kind of work that is related to buffaloes. And right now you can see totally buffaloes are tied with tether right now, and my mother-in-law sitting over there to take care of them. It is very sophisticated to work to take care of them because one day my grandmother-in-law got injured by buffaloes. So sometimes it's can be hindrances a lot to feed them, but my mother-in-law are habitual to feed them, so that is why for her it is not a very sophisticated work, but normal girls can't do it like me. I couldn't do this kind of work. So my mother-in-law get busy dawn to dusk to feed and to giving water and to giving some necessary things that is required to buffaloes. And this is the little pond where buffaloes get water. And this is the greenery area surrounding this buyers. Look at this. And these are accumulated woods also over here, and this is the tree of farms that is called Rajasthani apple. And surrounding it miscellaneous things, you can see the glimpse is breathtaking a lot over here. This is the uneven road that is going through right now, and my mother-in-law and my aunt-in-law keep busy every day. They have a very hectic life over here. My grandmother-in-law also very busy to do this kind of work. And this is my another grandmother-in-law gazing towards me like a stranger and saying to me, "What are you doing with your mobile phones?" So it's a very funny and like insane moment with them. And she's my aunt-in-law. She has a very hectic life to do household chores and feed buffaloes right now. So I couldn't do this kind of work like them because they are very hardful and hardworking ladies. All over they are busy to feed buffaloes, and this is the totally all over routine every day. And this is the dung cake that is accumulated by my mother-in-law over here, which is used to make dung cake which is made by hand. And that is the chaff cutter machine. Using it, my mother-in-law can cut green grass and fodder, which can use to help eat and digest to buffaloes. And using holding this stand, we can round it. And so this is a chaff cutter. And right now you can see this is the clay stove that is the porridge to feed buffaloes. And this is the short waste sorting machine to clear chaff. And that is the another clay stove which is made by my aunt-in-law right now. And these are briquette home that is made by briquette, and you can see steeper like structure covered of roof. And you can see glimpse of this structure. Under it you can see chaff spread everywhere by my mother-in-law to prevent wetness and bacteria to buffaloes. And this is the court where my mother-in-law takes some rest after exhausting doing some work. And these are plastic pot where my mother-in-law do some work. And this is the pile of dung cake which is used mostly in winter season to fire in clay stove. And right now you can see these buffaloes are grazing fodder. And and my mother-in-law waiting for me, bringing me somewhere else. This is the dog sitting over here freely, and this is the wigwam structure where villagers kept some miscellaneous item over here. Right now you can see this is the totally made by cottage right now, and you can say surrounding greenery. These are lemons tree, and right now you can see this is my sister-in-law, cousin sister-in-law. She's making dung cake using by hand, which is which will use to fire mostly in winter season. This is the round shape structure called dung cake. That is very hardful work to make it if you don't know, but it is not a difficult task to learn it. You can easily made it. And right now you can say this is the little bit house that is made by clay and painted with the white color. You can see this clay walls painted by the white color. And right now you can see this is the grinder machine where we can grind wheat to make chapatis, and this is the stripper like structure covered all over roof of this little bit house, and these girls waiting for me and laughing at me because I was using English word, so that is why they are gazing towards me like a stranger. And right now I am gonna show you some trees, pomegranate and papaya, which are thrive. So you can see this plants of pomegranate is thrive flowering a lot to give fruits. Right now you can see by closer, these are flowers of pomegranate, and this is the papaya trees. You can see lots of fruits coming hanging over here right now, and some of the papayas covered by this clothes. Right now you can see it's a very good breathtaking environment. Mostly in evening time you can see yellow light is coming, and she is waving her hands saying to me, how are you? So right now I'm going to go inside this home. This is my neighbor's home, and right now they are waiting to me and laughing at me like a stranger. She's denied me don't make video. Right now what's I am making video and they are laughing a lot. So guys, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you do want this kind of video more, so please comment on the comment box below. So right now I am gonna show you a little bit strange texture of clay stove that is made by women. It's a very unique structure, you can see like this, very gorgeous.